Alright everyone, so I'm gonna go ahead and perform one about 4 minutes poem. It's called If There Were a Manual. It arrived at the local library, a species so nearly extinct is confined to the zoo, where the whisper of hornbills includes a skin-shivering sight across the skeleton of souls, where a camera flashed in a future attempt to capture in gigabytes the sense of faded ink. At the front desk, I asked my eye please have a manual to life, and the librarian carrying on her helpless shoulders the weighted wisdom of all immortality would respond right this way. She slid quietly as she stood there, flipping through the corridors of guidebooks until I'm left, wondering when we are stopping which author will it be. I imagine what the manual will look like. Maybe it will be a human diagram with clearly labeled body parts of it made in Chinalangs. Please recycle rice hair, your graying hair, keep out of reach of children. Heart handle with care, brain lost and phone ears for list. Or maybe it will be a Google map from here to happiness. Headshot that and turn right onto Spare Avenue, one way continuing till out of gas. Do not enter, make next possible you turn stop, turn left Dutcher, turn left feeding road, turn left visit the site of your own grave. Construction ahead, cross Watershed Bridge, yield to pedestrian, check ramp of the freeway speed. On the freeway speed limit infinity continues several years, exit destination. Or maybe the manual will be a carefully measured recipe for success. For broken bones, 7 tablespoons of tragedy, 18 tablespoons of hope, a full bottle of perspective, several ounces of secret ingredient. Your mother forgot to refill before she passed away. Mix well, cook at the 6 degrees of separation, still trading in the wake of the librarian in the absence of the quintessential. I stopped moving and in an epiphany that seems sudden but is actually the result of the evolution of incremental understanding. I realized that if there were a manual, no one would read it because no one ever read instruction. Because maybe we aren't supposed to, maybe on the hands of the human diagram or scars that say figure it out for yourself. Maybe on the Google map you enter traffic instruction, but really you're walking the whole way, so the time estimates are entirely inaccurate and you are able to cut through crooked middle that aren't even on the map in the first place. Maybe for that one stretch of uninterrupted highway you can catch some public transport asking strange questions on a bus full of strength, because you've decided that discomfort is the secret ingredient in your recipe for success. Maybe we're all supposed to write the manual ourselves, since only so many people can have the same number of broken bones. Since everyone can choose with a spoon-labeled attitude exactly how many smells to add the cauldron before mixing well. Maybe if we don't write the manual ourselves, we will all go extinct like the local library, with lingering catalog, vestige of organ that someone, somewhere at some point used to know the purpose of. Thank you all very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.